Hey y'all, I'm Hillbilly. Welcome back to Let's Play the Ancient's Gates. And last time, we were still in the Warthog Cave, trying to get the guy with the magic gauntlets for Captain Ceres. And yeah, he ousted us. He ran us off. He sent us packing with our tail between our legs. So we're going to go buy some more potions, because the cave ran us out of them.
Fear not.
In fact, I'm a little bit tempted. Oh, I forgot Ericland's behind us. I'm a little bit tempted to go all the way back into the previous area and see what weapons were available there. Because we did up our melee skill to 3. The weapon we have now does 15 damage. That is a Blackwing corpse, okay. The weapon we have now does 15 damage. We may be able to wield a little bit stronger one now. Okay, here's a camp we haven't violated. Oh, he's a mage. He's going to shoot fireballs back at us. Okay, he's done with that. Yeah, we were also flying around to hunt for things like this that we may have missed. Still not seeing any more Yetis other than the one. I'm still not 100% sure that's a Yeti, but it's not the other thing that's through those portals. I'm pretty sure of that now. I started remembering things a little bit. And I believe through that portal, yeah, because we can't take Eric through there. I remember that. And there are dragon strong enemies. Okay, yes, Scorpion. But yeah, but it's not optional. We do have to do it eventually, because that I'm pretty sure that's where the amethyst is that we need for the wizard. Oh, bust that already. There we go. No, it sits in here. More gold. We'll take it. We need to buy potions. Ooh, the game was hitting us over the head with them early on. Now we can't seem to find one. Gotta be careful here. There was an awful lot of guys. There could be somebody we missed. None of this stuff looks explosive, though. And the guys themselves may have dropped something. Oh, yeah, just about missed that. Good thing we have a pick up all the loot button. That's what's happening when you see it floating into me like that. I've pressed. Are you kidding? Another mana potion? Game, we don't need mana, we need health. How many of those things do we have? We've got 16 4-mana potions. Yeah, I think the game really wants us to be using magic. But as we've seen, our magic's not that effective yet. We need one more level up, and we'll put the point for that. Hey, there's another torch up here. We'll put the point for that into magic. Oh, that's all it is just a torch. I don't want to go that far without Eric. Can you land here, Eric?
On my way.
Okay. There's a little more loot for us. Where are we on the map? Okay. Yeah, if we keep going in the direction we're going now, we'll rediscover the portal. I think that's the last thing I want to do is that amethyst, because yeah, starting to remember things. I'm even ready to face Yetis before we do that. We still have one particular warthog with some magic gauntlets we need some vengeance on first. Yeah, there's our cave. Let's go get that on the map. There was a little loot in there. We can go ahead and get that again, I suppose. What, you're not going to add this to the map? Or did you without telling us about it? Do I have to actually go in? I would have added it from the air before. Oh, do we actually have to talk to the fella that told us about his buddy getting nabbed by something that came through there? Maybe we do. Yeah. Oh, we may just have to get it from the air. Because there it says something about that portal. He's not saying anything. Okay, but apparently that music is triggered by our position. We've done taken out the enemies that's there for. Okay, is that the cave? Is that the one we just did? We've taken out the gun. There's a camp. Or yeah, there's a camp here. Not looking on anything. I do see an unbusted barrel though. We've taken out the gun. Okay, we'll get Eric away from the gun so we can land. Yeah, we may have taken these guys out from the air earlier. Yeah, here's one of their loots. Maybe that guy was supposed to be the beast that fellow was telling us about, because we've only seen the one. Don't see anybody else moving around. Okay, what was this? Is this the way we came from? I seem to remember that. Bridge. Oh yeah, we're... Let's see. Oh, we're near that portal, aren't we? Yeah, because we came into this area from the bottom. In fact, I believe if we look over that way, it was the portal? No? Oh, there it is. Okay. And that is what we need all that stuff for. The amethyst and all that. Fly a little bit low. That's another Blackwing corpse. Nothing back there. A little bit low so we can see any banners or anything. Oh, I think we're headed back to where we had already done all that. That network, yeah, there's the first one. Or one of the first ones. Hey, that heal ball. Oh, I didn't know those things were persistent. This is a new session since the last time I noticed that. You know, right after I drank the potion, when I didn't notice it, then I came back and said, there's a heal ball when we don't need it. And I didn't see it when we needed it, even though it was there in the corner of the screen for a moment. Yeah, I did see that in editing. So it's nice to know that it stays there. Probably it may stay there until we leave the area. Okay, this is the camp we assaulted before going in the cave, isn't it? Yeah, I believe it is. Oh no, it's over there. Is there anybody here? Or is this the one we did just a few moments ago? Yeah, it is, because there's bodies down there. Okay. Yeah, that's the one below the bridges. There's nothing back there. Is that a rock or a huge turtle shell? Hey, there's a guy. That's a Yeti. Yeah, look, he's throwing those giant snowballs at us. Okay, so there was at least two out here. Anybody else down there? Oh, wow. This searching around for stuff is really helping our XP bar. Hey, there's a flag down there, and I see something moving. Something above, too. We may get back to Ceres' camp this episode, and we may not. We're finding so many things. Are you still back there? Yeah, we're still locked on to something. Land, Eric. Please land, Eric. Come on, Eric, land. Okay, I heard his death yell. Oh, that was brutal. Two gold. Okay, those had some in them. There's a piece we missed right there. Idiot. Oh, a couple. Oh, that was a number of them. Did you drop anything? How about the guy we got behind the thing? No. Okay. We can't even get up there above without Eric, can we? And there is a guy up there. There's the wrong breath. Okay, I didn't hear him go ka-ching. Yeah, up here's what I saw. Is anybody else up here? Yeah, there's somebody. Alright. More loot for buying potions. More experience from the girls. A goblet, that's 50. Anybody else up there? Oh. Okay. And there's all kinds of little stuff tucked here and there in this area. We need to go back out to the last area anyway and hunt for places like this. I didn't turn around and start going the other way, did I? Still heading toward... Oh, but we have already passed the camp. You know, now that we've done it though, let's just go up and loop around. See if there's any more stuff like this. stood off facing that guy that killed me so many times a little bit like, oh, there's a dragon. There's a dragon. Where is he? Yeah, that must be one we missed. I don't think any new ones would have spawned in. Oh, he left the health. And we kinda need it. Yeah, I don't think any new ones would have spawned in until we leave the area and come back. I think there are a couple new ones in this area that spawn in when you do that. I don't think going into that cave counted as leaving the area. There's our cave we came through. We would have to go through there and come back. Hey, was there someone down there? There's someone down there. What is he doing there? There's no reason for anything to be anywhere around there. There's no camp or anything, I don't think. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I think we can eventually go in there. Yeah, see the corpses of the dragons we already killed are still here. There's our cave. There to the left of us. And I believe that'll make this the only area we haven't flown over. Because the camp should be right on the other side of that tall mountain there, more or less. Anything down here? This would be a good place to hide something. Camp or something. So, yeah, where's the column of smoke? Well, let's just look on the map. It's hard to see anything in the snow. Okay, I'm a ways off anyway. It's over that way. It's past that mountain. Oh, which means this may still be more unexplored terrain here. Wow, there's the Yeti we just took out. Was he that close to the camp? There's the camp. Wait, this is our camp, isn't it? Oh, it's not. Okay. Yeah, this one we just got through looting. Okay. Okay, it's right over there. Oh, it's right over... Okay, I keep saying this, but it's right over there. Oh, I see the smoke now. Okay. It is right over this mountain. Yeah, that's how you find it, is look for the column of smoke. And we found it. So, maybe we'll go back into the cave and face that fellow again next time, y'all. Thanks for watching, and y'all come back.